Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake RAS at home. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 large eggs. Also, prepare 5 cup of milk, 25 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a consistent baking temperature from the start, which is crucial for a perfect cake. Now let's mix our batter. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a small pinch of salt. In another larger bowl, beat the eggs and sugar together until they become light, pale, and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Then, gradually fold in the milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Finally, gently combine the wet and dry mixtures until just incorporated, being careful not to overmix. It's time to bake. Carefully pour your prepared batter into a greased and floured 9-inch round cake pan. Place it into your preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This allows it to firm up slightly before you carefully invert it onto a wire rack to cool completely. For that signature RAS moistness, let's make a simple syrup. Combine 5 cup of sugar and 5 cup of water in a saucepan, bringing it to a simmer until the sugar dissolves. Let it cool completely. Once your cake is also cool, slowly pour the cooled syrup evenly over the entire cake. This step infuses it with wonderful flavor and moisture. Slice and enjoy your delightful homemade cake RAS. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.